India's journey into space exploration is a remarkable tale of ambition, perseverance, and groundbreaking achievements. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, has been at the forefront of this journey, making significant contributions to space science and technology, and positioning India as a formidable player in the global space community. India's space program began modestly in the 1960s with the launch of small-sounding rockets. However, it was the establishment of ISRO in 1969 that marked the beginning of India's serious foray into space exploration. Under the visionary leadership of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of the Indian space program, ISRO embarked on a mission to harness space technology for national development and to make space accessible and beneficial to all. One of the earliest milestones in India's space journey was the launch of its first satellite, Aryabhata, in 1975. This mission laid the foundation for future satellite technology development and showcased India's growing capabilities in space science. Over the next few decades, ISRO launched a series of successful satellite missions, including the Bhaskara series for Earth observation and the INSAT series for telecommunications and meteorology, which significantly enhanced India's space-based services. A defining moment in India's space history came in 2008 with the launch of Chandrayaan-1, India's first lunar mission. This mission not only placed India among the elite group of nations capable of interplanetary exploration, but also made a groundbreaking discovery of water molecules on the moon's surface. Chandrayaan-1's success was a testament to ISRO's growing technical prowess and its ability to execute complex space missions. Building on this success, ISRO launched the Mars Orbiter mission, Mangalyaan, in 2013. Mangalyaan was a remarkable achievement for several reasons. It made India the first country to reach Mars orbit on its first attempt, and it did so with a highly cost-effective budget. The mission's success demonstrated India's capability in planning and executing deep space missions and provided valuable scientific data about Mars's atmosphere and surface. In recent years, ISRO has continued to push the boundaries of space exploration. The Chandrayaan-2 mission, launched in 2019, aimed to explore the lunar South Pole and included an orbiter, a lander, and a rover. Although the lander did not achieve a soft landing, the mission was still a success, as the orbiter continues to provide valuable data about the moon. India's space ambitions are not limited to lunar and Martian exploration. ISRO is also working on the Gaganyaan mission, which aims to send Indian astronauts into space. This human spaceflight program represents a significant leap in India's space capabilities and underscores its commitment to becoming a leading player in human space exploration. Beyond these missions, India is also contributing to global space science through collaborations and partnerships. ISRO has developed strong ties with space agencies from the United States, Russia, Europe, and other countries, participating in international projects and sharing its expertise. For instance, India's collaboration with NASA on the NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar (NISAR) mission aims to study Earth's land and ice surfaces in unprecedented detail. In conclusion, India's role in space and universe exploration is characterized by a series of strategic milestones and visionary projects that have propelled the nation to the forefront of space science and technology. Through ISRO's innovative and cost-effective approach, India has not only demonstrated its technical capabilities, but also highlighted the importance of space technology in addressing global challenges. As India continues to advance its space exploration endeavors, it stands as a beacon of inspiration and a testament to the potential of scientific and technological progress in shaping the future of humanity's exploration of the cosmos.